Hello and welcome to another Paramics Discovery 21 tutorial. This is the fifth in our series and it's the second one looking at the improvements we've made to the Edit Demand tab. Now, just like the last tutorial, we're going to use the model of Sterling. I've got this model in version 20 and also in version 21, so we can again compare the differences between the two. So this is the model in version 20 and this is in 21 with a slightly lighter background, so I can see which one is which. Now if I go to the Edit Demand tab, last time we looked at the performance of the demand sets as they loaded in, and also the structure of the matrices. So we can see in version 21 we've got our matrices in a column for each demand set, and you've got complete flexibility over how those matrices are applied to the demand set and the vehicle type proportions that are applied to the matrices. Now in this example we're going to look at the profiles and profile assignment. So in version 20, this is what our profiles look like. You can see the toggle at the top is the way to step through the different profiles that we've got in this model. And then we've also got a control for looking at the graph. That's not the easiest control to use. It's got some vertical and horizontal adjusting going on. And there's also a table underneath. So what we've really done in version 21 is update all this, both to improve the performance and the usability. So we can see now the profiles listed on the left hand side. They're much easier to select and go through. And the graph and the table are also easier to use. So I simply slide across to see the different levels of the profile through time, and I can do the same in the table. It's much easier to drag the bars up and down, and as previously I can click the balance button to make sure that the profile total is 100. The nice thing is, as I step through the profiles, it doesn't set the time back to 0 for me, so I can keep the time fixed as I go through, and I can also keep the time fixed as I go through different demand sets, even if they're representing different periods. Now the other tab that is new is the profile assignment one. This is what it looks like in version 20. Similar to the demand tab, it's got the matrices at the top, the profiles listed down the side. And in version 21, again, we've improved the structure and the performance of this. You've now got the matrices as a column, the profiles as a column exactly the same as the profiles tab. And it's very easy to assign a particular profile to a particular movement, zone to zone movement, like that, or to a row, or to a column. Now one thing that's important to note is that the importing and exporting of demands, profiles and profile assignment are exactly the same as previously. So there's no change to the structure of those files in version 21. I hope you find this tutorial useful. All these new features to do with the improvements of Edit Demands are going to be in version 21 coming in November this year. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching. Bye.